So as you guys saw from the title, today we're going to be doing a winter maintenance vlog. Also, it's my first Vlogmas video and my first time participating in Vlogmas, where you basically post like every day. So I'm so excited because I know I'm going to do this challenge, okay? Yeah, I'm also excited for this vlog because I have not been feeling myself, if we're being so honest, on some real shit, y'all. And I think it's really because I have a really bad thing where I love tugging at my lashes. I think it's just the pain from pulling them, which sounds so weird. So I was like, you know what, like, I randomly was like, you know, I'm just gonna take my lashes off and, like, you know, like, just like give them a break. I don't pay to get my lashes done. I'm a lash tech, so I was just using my own products. Not that I like care, you know, it was still in a way free to me. Yeah, I'm looking, and I feel like most of my lashes are like, I could have sworn I had way more lashes in this, y'all. Like, I do not remember my eyes looking this bald. For New Year's, which is a month away. Like, maybe next month I might start off again and do them short, like natural looking. But I don't know, y'all. I just like, you guys, for those of you who tune in my vlogs, you guys know I always do my lashes. So, but yeah, I literally waited till it hit 12 o'clock, y'all, just to do like the introduction and tell you guys. So it's literally like 12:05 right now. Hi, buddy, come here. Sorry, Jasper wants to be in the video, guys. So boop, 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 boop. But yeah, it's my first time trying bangs as well, so I'm nervous about that. I don't think I've had bangs since I was a little kid. I'm gonna check on my wax and see if it's ready for me to wax my brows. Hopefully after I wax my brows, it'll make me look like a new person, because this ain't it at all. I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I got me in therapist. Okay guys, so I waxed my brows and they literally look so much better. I filled them in a little bit at the ends, but I already feel way better. I do have some redness. I'm gonna go with some cold water and put some coconut oil or petroleum jelly on my face so I don't have any like rash and scars when I wake up. Okay guys, so it's morning and I felt so bad this morning. Like, my stomach was hurting so bad that I literally had to go back to sleep for like an extra hour. So now it's like 10:15, 10 or 10:16, something like that. This morning I wanted to do my hair and toes. That way after I worked on my lash client, I just had to do my nails later on. Since I told you guys I'm gonna give my eyes a break so they can just look big and dolly. But all right, y'all, we're about to get started with my wig install. And don't forget, I'm also gonna, after my wig's applied, I'm also gonna be cutting my bangs and stuff. I want to do curtain bangs, so come on. Tell me there's a man I want, and I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. Is me confused, how I get here. I look in my eyes, I still have you. Rather be chill than alone. I get the sense that it's lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to ration, but you know murder's a crime of passion. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the bottom, I get with your perfect peach. Now I'm in a phase. Okay guys, this is how it's looking. I kind of like it. I love how it's like wrapped around my face. I feel like this is like the most easiest wig because I don't even have to do like my edges. I just have to bump my bangs. But y'all, it's long. It's giving inches. I feel so much older too with this wig on.
Matching your shirt.
Anyways, I'm about to put in a nose ring because I look silly. It's I think that's what it was, y'all. I think I was missing my nose ring. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna give myself a break for a little bit and then I'm gonna do my toes first. To be honest, like if we're being so honest, my toes they don't need done, but I think I'm gonna just redo them anyway because I want them white. So yeah, but in a little bit we're gonna get straight into doing my toes.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
Okay guys, so toes is done. Y'all see the toes? Okay guys, so I was gonna take a break, but I think I'm gonna just start doing my nails because there's no reason for me to take a break. I think once I'm done with the application, I might take a little break and start like editing because I low-key want to get this video uploaded before 12 o'clock. Let me see what time it is. I don't think it's that late. Oh, it's only 6:13, y'all. So I think I'm gonna be done with my nails probably at 8. And I'm hoping I can get the video out like before 11 because I don't think it should take that long to edit it. But now it's time to do my nails.
Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay guys, so nails are done and I'm so proud of the way they turned out because I was actually kind of nervous because I didn't know how I wanted to do them, and then I randomly thought of a last minute choice that I wanted them to match my hair. But y'all, look how pretty. Look how cute. So cute. My nails are done. Toes are done. Look it up. My hair and my nails match my pants. I'm about to do my hair, y'all. And I think I might do a little light makeup just so I can look cute in my thumbnail. Oh, I think I got nail polish in my hair. It's okay. But yeah, y'all, now we're about to start doing my hair.
I like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pilling out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chilling out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse. What they gon' say now?
I just found a new makeup tutorial. At first, I was gonna put some black eyeliner in my inner corner, but I felt like it was gonna make like a fake look at my eyes. Like, y'all, I did not notice my eyes were this big. It's I think I have doe eyes. I think that's what it's called, because I know I definitely don't have siren eyes. I think siren eyes are more like, my boyfriend has siren eyes. Like, they're like really squinted looking. My boyfriend's so hot. This is so cute, y'all. If you guys watched my makeup, also I put like some glitter eyeshadow up there, but and I didn't even do my brows, y'all, because you can't even see them. So what's the matter? Now I'm probably gonna be obsessed with eyeliner because this is so cute. The cat eye, and it's the fact that it turned out good like the first try is so funny to me. But I'm gonna change into something cute. This is my favorite lip gloss. This was in my makeup video. I told you guys I like this one because it was more natural to my skin tone. I like this better than the Fenty Beauty one. This one even actually tastes good, and I love when my lip glosses taste good. Guys, but this is the end of my first Vlogmas. Y'all tune into the rest because I'm gonna be trying to post this whole month. I can't believe I really just did this to my hair, y'all. Period. Alright, anyways, y'all, make sure you guys like and subscribe and watch my next video. Happy Vlogmas. Bye.